Okay, this video is going to show you how to take the notes that you have uploaded into Echo Desktop software and then save them as a Livescribe PDF. This file will be a PDF that your student can play using either Echo Desktop software, a web-based player, or an app on their mobile device. So the first thing you're going to do is after class, you're going to connect your pen using the USB cable to your computer. It's going to open the Echo Desktop software and transfer the notes in to the software. And they should look something like what you're seeing on the screen here, thumbnails of the notes that you have taken. Over here in the active notebook section are going to be the different notebooks. So if you're using different notebooks for different students, that's fine. Find the notebook that you want that has the notes that you're going to save and click on it. It's going to open up the thumbnails. Next, you're going to find the notes that you want to share. I'm going to click on these notes. These are the notes that I want to share with my student. And I'm going to click on them and make sure they're playing. These are playing. So I heard them. You can also do a visual check to make sure over here this Pencast tab is showing all the notes you took during that class, and make sure they're all green. If they're green, they have a recording behind them. If they're black, they either A, you didn't hit record when class started, or B, the notes didn't transfer right. So disconnect your pen, connect it again, and see if your notes, the audio transfers over. More than likely, you either turned it off briefly or and forgot to turn it back on, or you just forgot to hit record. But anyway, find the notes you want, test them, make sure that they play, and then what you're going to do is go to the audio tab, and you're going to find the notes that you're looking for. The notes that I just played have this little speaker icon. Sometimes you might decide you want to search by the speaker icon because that's the last note I played. You can view your pages from here. You can see your session name. You can see the class time. This was 1 hour and 34 minutes. You can see the last date it was modified, the size of the file, and where it is on the pen. What you're going to do is click it once, and that's going to highlight the notes that you want, and then you're going to right-click on it. And you have some options here. So what I want you to choose is share, and we're going to share to the computer. These files are too large for email. So click on computer, and what's going to pop up is a window here, and you have notes and audio, pages only, and audio only. Most of your files should be notes and audio. In fact, probably all of them will always be sent notes and audio. Verify this is the date of the audio that you want. But this is a Livescribe PDF file. There's not another choice. And then we're going to click on continue. So we want to save these somewhere you can find them again. And so I've chosen my C drive. I'm going to save this as MA 141 from January 13th. And I'm going to save that file to my computer by clicking save. So up here you'll get a Exploring Math Notebook as computer file basically. And when it's done, it'll give you a message that says it was exported successfully. So what you're going to do is you're going to just go look at that file. So we're going to go to your file folders. Now your computer system may be a little different, but I know that this is on my C drive and I have found it. And I'm going to double click it, and you'll see this PDF file with the notes, all 11 pages saved. Okay, this is the end of this video, and your next video will be how to upload it into the note-taking software.